14 ways to use aloe vera gel. Amazing health benefits of aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is one of those miraculous natural products that seem to have an endless list of benefits. You've probably heard about its reputation for soothing sunburned skin. But did you know that's just the tip of the iceberg? This versatile gel, harvested from the succulent leaves of the aloe vera plant, is packed with vitamins, minerals, and anti-inflammatory compounds that make it a must-have in your health and beauty arsenal. Whether you're looking to enhance your skincare routine, manage minor injuries, or find a natural alternative to everyday products, aloe vera has you covered. Let's explore 14 incredible ways you can incorporate this wonder gel into your daily life. Number 1. Skin moisturizer. If you're tired of heavy, greasy moisturizers, aloe vera gel is here to save the day. It's light, non-comedogenic, and deeply hydrating. Just apply a small amount to your face and body to enjoy its natural moisturizing benefits. Aloe vera is especially great for oily or acne-prone skin because it hydrates without clogging pores. The gel absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth. Plus, it's packed with vitamins C and E that rejuvenate your skin and keep it looking youthful. Number 2. Hairstyling. Bad hair days be gone. Aloe vera gel can be your go-to hairstyling product. It tames flyaways, adds a natural shine, and keeps your hair looking fresh all day long. Simply rub a small amount between your palms and work it through your hair. It's also great for those with sensitive scalps, as it soothes irritation and reduces dandruff. The natural enzymes in aloe vera promote healthy hair growth, making it a fantastic all-in-one product for hair care. Number 3. Aftershave. Shaving can sometimes leave your skin feeling irritated and dry. Aloe vera gel is the perfect post-shave remedy. Its soothing properties calm irritation, reduce redness, and provide much-needed moisture. Apply a thin layer to your skin after shaving to keep it smooth and comfortable. The gel helps prevent infection and promotes faster healing. Your skin will feel soft, hydrated, and free from the usual post-shave discomfort. Number 4. Makeup remover. Say goodbye to harsh makeup removers that strip your skin of its natural oils. Aloe vera gel is a gentle alternative that effectively removes makeup while nourishing your skin. Apply a small amount to a cotton pad and gently wipe away makeup, including stubborn mascara and eyeliner. Your skin will thank you for the gentle touch. Number 5. Eyebrow gel. Achieving perfectly shaped eyebrows has never been easier. A small amount of aloe vera gel keeps them in place without the stiffness or flakiness that some brow gels leave behind. Simply dip a clean mascara wand or brow brush into aloe vera gel and comb it through your brows for a polished look. The gel also nourishes the brow hairs, promoting healthy growth and preventing breakage. Number 6. Beard care. For the bearded gentleman out there, aloe vera gel is a fantastic addition to your grooming routine. It softens and conditions the beard, making it more manageable and less prone to irritation. Rub a small amount into your beard after washing to keep it soft, shiny, and itch-free. The natural enzymes and antioxidants in aloe vera gel help keep the skin beneath the beard healthy, and it helps prevent dryness and flakiness. It's a lightweight, non-greasy alternative to traditional beard oils and balms, providing the same benefits without the heaviness. Number 7. Minor cuts and burns. Aloe vera gel's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it a must-have for minor cuts, burns, and insect bites. The gel's cooling effect provides instant relief from the pain, while its natural compounds work to reduce inflammation and prevent infection. It creates a protective barrier that keeps the area clean and speeds up the recovery process. Number 8. Hand sanitizer. In a pinch, you can make your own hand sanitizer with aloe vera gel. Simply combine a third cup with 2/3 cups of rubbing alcohol and 8 to 10 drops of tea tree oil. The alcohol kills germs and bacteria, while the aloe vera provides moisture and soothing relief. This DIY hand sanitizer is perfect for keeping your hands clean and soft on the go. Number 9. Yeast infections. Aloe vera gel can be a soothing remedy for external irritation caused by yeast infections. Its anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties help soothe the irritated skin and promote healing. Apply a small amount topically to the affected area to reduce itching and discomfort. Always ensure the gel is free of additives and preservatives, and use it in conjunction with other treatments recommended by your doctor for the best results. Number 10. Eye serum. The delicate skin around your eyes deserves special care. The vitamins and antioxidants in aloe vera gel nourish the skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The gel can also help reduce puffiness and dark circles. Dab a small amount under your eyes before bed and let its cooling, hydrating properties work overnight. You'll wake up looking refreshed and rejuvenated. Number 11. Exfoliating scrub. Create your own gentle exfoliating scrub by mixing aloe vera gel with sugar or oatmeal. The gel provides hydration and soothing relief, while the sugar or oatmeal gently exfoliates the skin. You can even add a few drops of your favorite essential oil for a luxurious spa-like experience at home. Use it once or twice a week to maintain a healthy, radiant complexion. Number 12. Natural lubricant. Aloe vera gel's smooth texture makes it an excellent choice for intimate use, providing lubrication without irritation. It's also hypoallergenic, making it suitable for those with sensitive skin. Always check the ingredients to ensure it's 100% pure aloe vera gel, without any additives or preservatives for a safe and comfortable experience. Number 13. Bed sores. Aloe vera gel is an excellent remedy for bed sores too. Its healing properties promote skin regeneration and provide relief from pain and discomfort. Apply it to the affected area to help your skin heal faster and prevent further irritation. The gel's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help prevent infection and reduce inflammation. Number 14. Stretch marks. If you have stretch marks, regular application of aloe vera gel can help reduce their appearance. Its nourishing properties improve skin elasticity and promote healing. Massage it into the affected areas daily and use it in conjunction with other skincare practices, such as regular exfoliation for optimal results. The vitamins and antioxidants in aloe vera rejuvenate the skin, making stretch marks less noticeable over time. As you can see, aloe vera gel is a true multitasker, offering a wide range of benefits for your skin, hair, and overall health. Embrace its incredible health benefits by incorporating it into your daily routine and enjoying its soothing, healing, and beautifying properties. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a like and share it with your friends and family, as it helps us produce more valuable content. To stay up to date with our latest videos, remember to hit the subscribe button and enable notifications so you never miss out on any future content.